What's good? What's really, really good? In today's video, I'm coming at you with some fridge organization inspo. Yes, that's what we're doing today. Yeah, there's not going to be a lot of talking in this voiceover because everything kind of speaks for itself, so there's not really a lot that I need to say, but I will say that if you see anything that you like, everything will be linked in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. If you like what you see, subscribe, join the fam, help me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. All right, so enjoy the vibes. Okay, and just so you know, in case you noticed the lighting change, this is nighttime now. I decided to wait until after I put the boys to bed to finish the rest of this project slash video because they were going insane and I just could not get it done in a quiet environment. So I was like, you know what, let me just put them to bed. But yeah, so this is nighttime now. But this little bacon holder right here is one of my favorites out of all the things that I purchased. That's something that I struggle with, is the bacon, like when we open turkey bacon, because I don't eat it. Mostly my husband and sometimes my kids do. They're off and on with it, but yeah, it always ends up just sitting in the bag, and then we had like wrapped it in foil and the juice would get everywhere, and ugh, I hated it, so I had to get that. Okay, this is another favorite, and I feel like everything that I got is my favorite. Honestly, like everything that I got is so helpful, and that's one thing that I wanted to make clear in this video, is that like when it comes to these like fridge organization videos, like yeah, it looks cool and everything when you have everything in a container, but it's really not necessary. What my approach for it was to just get the things that I knew I needed that would actually absolutely help me. For instance, the egg containers. That's something that I always struggle with because I have to buy a lot of eggs because I have a whole family. So having all those egg cartons in my fridge taking up all that space it doesn't work for me. So I got the egg organizer. But this is another one that's like a game changer for me because parsley, I don't know, like you only use so much of it in recipes, but you get this big old bunch and it always ends up wilting before you can use it all. But this thing, let me tell you now, I bought this. I filmed this I think 2 or 3 weeks ago now from me doing this voiceover, and I still have that parsley in my fridge and it is not wilted at all. It's still nice, fresh, and crisp, same as the green onion. I haven't used all of it yet and it's still nice and crunchy. The like top green parts, the chivy part, I know it's not chive, the green onion part though. Sorry, the green part is still like crisp and crunchy. It's not wilted and soft. It's not going bad. Like, yes, this is a game changer. But yeah, so that was one of the points I wanted to make, like with the fridge organization. Like, instead of just going in and going so hard and buying all this stuff, like buy what you feel is absolutely necessary and what will actually help make your life easier when it comes to keeping your fridge organized. So yeah. right, this right here is another game changer that is very necessary for me and my family, because if you're like me and you have little boys or little girls, little kids that always want to snack literally every 5 to 10 minutes, every 10 to 15 minutes, like there isn't an hour that goes by where they don't want to be eating something, this has been so helpful for that. Because I got so tired of getting up every few minutes to get a dang snack for somebody. So I decided to get these little boxes. It came in a pack of 3, but I'm using 2 right now. I do one with vegetables like you see here. And right now we're doing cucumber, celery, and carrots. And then you'll see I'll put a little side of the sour cream style ranch dip to go with it. But then I'll do another one with fruit. And that's been so helpful in my life so far, because they can just go in there and grab it. If they want some vegetables, if they want some fruit, they can grab whatever and just munch on it whenever they want. And I do not restrict them from that, because it's fruits and vegetables. So yeah, if your kids are always bugging you about eating a snack, get you some of these boxes, because it's a game changer. And this is probably one of my favorite features of this fridge. I know I didn't mention it earlier, but we got the Samsung Bespoke fridge, and it has the little and it has the family hub. Besides the family hub, the next favorite part is the beverage center. I love that it has this just a little secret like front door that you can just open just to get drinks and water, and it's so cute. I just love that. All right, and there you have it. The fridge is organized. This is the little pull-out section for all the kids' snacks. They have their yogurt, their applesauce, their juice, their fruits and veggies, and they can just open that up and get it whenever they want. And then here we have the beverage center with all the yummy sodas, the Italian sodas. So yeah, I absolutely love this fridge. I'm very glad that we got it. It's so spacious. Like, all my stuff is organized. Everything that's in my fridge right now is pretty much our usual stuff that we always have. Like, we always have some yogurt on deck, eggs, turkey bacon. We have the deli section for our meats and cheeses, salads. So yeah, like, and we still have so much room for extras, like leftovers. That was something that I always had a problem with our last fridge, is not having space. Like, not having space for leftovers. If we were to order pizza, we wouldn't have a spot to put it. I would have to take all the pizza out of boxes and wrap it up in foil, different pouches of foil, just for it to fit. But here, there's a place for everything. Like, if we want to marinate some chicken or some fish, we have space to put it in the fridge so it can marinate overnight. So yeah, I'm just so happy with this. I'm happy with all the organizers that I got. And like I said, if you like anything of the organizers that you see in this video, they're all linked down below. I got them all on Amazon. Everything I got on Amazon. So yeah, they're linked down below. They're not affiliate links, obviously, because I'm a small channel. I don't have it like that. So yeah, this is just for your, to help you out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to help my channel grow. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.